Guys, in today's video I would like to show us how to register an account on Athene Network. Let's dive in. First of all, you open the Athene Network app on your mobile device, allow it to load, and then you can click on continue here. Click on continue and then continue, and then click on get started. Agree or continue. Now you can choose to sign up with email, with your Google account. You can also sign up with your Facebook. In my own case, I'm going to sign up with my Google account. Now I can just select any of my accounts and proceed. Now it's requesting if you have a referral code, you can input the referral code here. In my own case, I'm going to just click on skip, and so we have successfully created an account on Athene Network, and we can just begin to stake and do some other activities that we can do with the Athene Network. So in the next video, I'm going to show us the other benefits we can derive from using this Athene Network applications and how we can make money with it. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button so that you can be notified when I post my next video.